Om Guru Ram Namaste. Good morning, all of you. My dear third class students, today discuss about measurement from your activity book, page number 6. Volume 2, activity book, page number 6. Anvit Rao, video on Jay. Anvit Rao. Now here, choose the best unit for measurement for the following objects by circling it. So this is, now first one is building, height of the building. So you can measure centimeters or meters? Meters. So circle meters. This like only. Now next, depth of swimming pool. You can measure in meters. Circle it. Next, length of brush. Measure in centimeters. So circle it. Centimeters. Next, length of skating board. Measure in centimeters. Circling centimeter meters. Next, height. Height of camel, so meters, circling. Next, length of spoon, so you can use centimeters, circle in centimeters. Next, stove, you can use meters, circle meters. Now height of the trees, you can use meters, this like one, circle meters. See, listen. Last year, see. Building, meters. Swimming pool, meters. Brush, centimeters. Skating board, meters. Camel, meters. Spoon, centimeters. Next, stove, meters. Tree, meters. Next one, page number 7. Estimate the length of the given objects and note down your estimation. Then measure the objects using a standard means of measurement and compare the actual measurements with your estimated ones. Draw a smiling face in the last column if the difference is within 5 centimeters. Else draw saddest boy. So you can draw this like only. Now first one is object pen. So you can actual length what beta here? Pen. See here, object pen. So first you need actual length. So actual length here So approximately 6 centimeters. So estimated length 10 centimeters. So what is the difference here? 10 centimeters, 6 centimeters. 10 minus 6, 4 centimeters. You can draw this like only. Now next, geometrical box. See here, geometrical box. So estimated, I can estimate it 10 centimeters. So actual length is 5 centimeter. So what is the difference? 5. So you can draw smiling boy. Now next, book. See here, actual length is 2.5 centimeter. So estimated length is 2.5 means 0 centimeter beta. So what is the difference? 2.5. So you can write now next, slate. So estimated eight centimeter. I can estimate 8 centimeter. But here, how many centimeters are there? Approximately 4 centimeters. So once again, this is the slate. So what is the difference here? 8 minus 4 centimeter now. This is laughing sad Buddha. Now next. So duster. So I estimated 10 centimeter. Actual length, what is the actual length here? 3 centimeter beta. What is the difference? 10 minus you can get 7. So you can write laughing, smiling Buddha. Now I am estimated this is 10 centimeter. Actual this is 3 centimeter. So what is the difference? 7 centimeter. Then you can laughing Buddha. And you can draw laughing Buddha. Now next one is pick the right the objects which you can lift and cross the rest. So first one is champion trophy, you can lift it, so then right object. Rice, this is you can lift, right. Lollipop also, pick right object. Bus, so this is heavy weight, now cross it. Next books, lift, you can lift very easily. Now next jeep, not, cross it. Chair, you can lift easily. Cup, you can lift easily, you can write a tick mark. Water bottle, you can lift easily, write a tick mark. House, not lifting, you can use cross mark. Now chocolate, easy, you can lift very easily. Now write mark. Now this is van, not lifting, crash. Error, this is also crash. So this is right. Bike, not. This is right. Easy to lift bag. This is easy to lift dog. So this is easy to lift cylinder. Now next, not lifting better. Now next, estimate the weights of the following objects, then find their actual weights and see how close your guess were. See here, now estimating this is 10 centimeter. So now estimating this is 10 centimeter. So actual weight I can measure, actual length. So weight, not height, weight. See here, once again, telephone is heavy weight than cell phone. Now take it. Next, ball is heavy weight than Goa. See here, next, jackfruit is heavy weight than Goa. Next, jeep heavy weight than cycle. So you can take it. Next this is ball, iron ball, heavy weight than small ball. Next money is heavy weight than gold. Next this is honey, heavy weight than weighing scale. Now here next apples, heavy weight than oranges. Now next, page number 12. Note down the reading of the liquid level in each container. So first one is 20 ml, 20 milliliter beta. Next one is 40 milliliter. Next one is 10 milliliter ml. So next one is so nearly 500 milliliters means 450 milliliter. Next this is 250 milliliter. Next this is 150 milliliter. Next one, observe the given capacity and paste the sticker of the container. Everybody paste. The stickers has last page. Open the last page and paste it. Okay, next, which container holds more thick, write it. This is beta. See here, which container holds more tickets. So this is holds more water than other. Next, this is milk, Coca-Cola. This is okay. Today our class is completed. Thank you everybody.